Hi guys, what's up? By the way, I'm Coach Vincent. I'm agent consultant of ANA Airlines, and for today's video naman ay tuturo natin kung paano tayo mag-check-in ng Philippine Airlines through website. So let's get started guys. So open tayo ng Chrome. And type lang natin Philippine Airlines. Tapos, click this or click manage and then hanapin natin check-in online. Tapos guys, dito sa may baba, may makikita kayo dito booking reference and last name. So, ganito talaga pag mag-check-in through online. Tapos, type natin yung airlines booking reference. So, 65 MP DV. And tapos, last name ni client or ni passenger, pangalan niya is, last name niya is Patino. And then, click lang itong ayan, I have read and understand, and then submit. Yan guys. So, take a moment lang. And tapos, accept lang ito. Nagkaganda naman dito kay Philippine Airlines, pwede tayong pumili dito ng free seats lang. Kahit for example, gusto mo sa window seats, pwede tayo pumili dito. And be right there, it's under there. So, one passenger. So, check natin. Ayan, start check-in na siya. So, huwag tayong mag-exit check-in. Tapos guys, palitan lang natin yung ating Gmail dito. And then, click natin, Vincent. Yan yung Gmail ko. Para kung sakali. Tapos, ayan. Continue na lang natin. Hindi ko na pinalitan yung number. So, hindi naman. Tapos dito, ito yung mga dangerous goods. Yan. Kailangan basahin natin ng maayos yan. And then, agree and continue lang. Sobrang basic. Are you checking in a bag belonging to another person? Simply no. Did another person pack your bag? No. Are you carrying anything for another person? No. Have the bag been out of your position since you packed them? No. Are you carrying electronic cigarettes or prohibited? Ayan. So, no lang lahat. And then, click continue, guys. Sobrang bilis lang, So, guys, yan. So, ito yung seats niya, AB. So, ito. So, for example, gusto ni clients, window seats, so hanapan mo siya. So, ang available dito guys, yung white. Yan yung naka-free. Ito may bayad nito. So, since dito na si client, sa gitna, so okay na po yan. Huwag na nating baguhin. Yan seats unavailable. Tapos yung white, yung seat free. So, wala tayong makitang mas malapit sa window seat. So, prepared na sa atin itong nasa gitna siya. So, go tayo guys and confirm seat selections and continue. And then, ayan. So, check the bags. Kung may kailangan kang i-update dito, just click updates na. And then, okay na. Nabook na natin. And for, sana guys may natutunan kayo at hanggang dito lang yung ating video. So, by the way, i-review lang natin yung boarding pass pala natin. So bago tayo mag-end ng ating videos, ayan. Download and print. Sobrang bilis lang. So, ganun na siya kadali mag-check-in online. Ang advantage kasi ng check-in online, guys, kahit late si client, hihintayin ni airlines yun. So, yun yung purpose. That's why kung bakit mas prepared talaga ng marami ang mag-check-in online para hindi na pumila doon sa airport. Kasi alam mo naman natin, sobrang daming pila doon pag magka-counter yung tayo. Hope guys, marami kayo natutunan sa ating video and hopefully don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and comment the sections if may comment kayo guys. Hanggang dito lang yung ating video. Bye-bye!